Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to download the Prime Video app. Whether you're a movie buff or just want to catch up on the latest series, getting the app is super easy and takes just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have an Amazon account. If you don't, hop over to Amazon's website, sign up for free, and verify your email. This is your key to unlocking all the Prime Video goodness. If you're on a mobile device like an Android phone or iPhone, open your App Store. That's the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Once you're in, type Prime Video into the search bar. You'll see the app pop up. Just tap on it and hit the Install or Get button. It might ask for some permissions, like access to your storage or network, so go ahead and allow those to make everything run smoothly. After the app finishes downloading and installing, open it up. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Amazon account details. Enter your email and password, and you're all set. Now you can browse, search for shows, and start streaming. What if you're on a computer? No worries. Head to the Prime Video website at primevideo.com. If you're on Windows, you can download the app directly from the Microsoft Store. For Mac users, look for it in the App Store or download via the website. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll have it installed in no time. A quick tip. Always check that your device meets the minimum requirements, like having the latest operating system update. If you run into any hiccups, try restarting your device or checking your internet connection. And there you have it. Downloading the Prime Video app is straightforward and hassle-free. Now you can enjoy tons of movies, TV shows, and originals right at your fingertips. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.